Luxury cars in Hollywood are far more than a mode of transportation. They are a living symbol of success, power, status, and cinematic fantasy, woven deeply into the culture of fame and storytelling. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills to the neon glow of Sunset Boulevard, luxury automobiles glide through Hollywood like rolling works of art, reflecting both personal achievement and brand identity. A-list celebrities, influential directors, music icons, and tech moguls often choose vehicles that match their public persona. Whether it's a sleek Rolls-Royce Phantom exuding timeless elegance, a Lamborghini Aventador screaming bold confidence, or a Bentley Continental GT delivering understated wealth, Hollywood has long shaped how the world perceives luxury cars, turning them into icons through film, red carpet appearances, and paparazzi moments that travel instantly across social media. Classic cinema immortalized cars like the Ferrari 250 GT, Aston Martin DB series, and Cadillac Eldorado, while modern blockbusters elevate futuristic hypercars, electric luxury sedans, and bespoke SUVs into global obsessions. In Hollywood, luxury cars are not just driven, they are curated, customized, and showcased as personal statements, often featuring exclusive interiors, rare paint finishes, and one-of-one specifications crafted by elite design houses. The rise of electric luxury vehicles has further transformed the scene, with brands like Tesla, Lucid, Porsche, and Mercedes-Maybach redefining what opulence means in a sustainability-focused era, all while maintaining breathtaking performance and cutting-edge technology. Valet lines outside five-star hotels and private studios resemble elite auto shows, displaying Bugattis, Ferraris, McLarens, and ultra-luxury SUVs like the Rolls-Royce, Cullinan, and Mercedes-Maybach, GLS. Hollywood's influence ensures that every appearance of these cars becomes aspirational content, shaping trends worldwide and setting new benchmarks for luxury, innovation, and design. Ultimately, luxury cars in Hollywood represent a fusion of dreams and engineering, excellence machines that tell stories before their engines even start, capturing ambition, artistry, and the relentless pursuit of perfection that defines both the automotive world and the heart of Hollywood itself. Beyond their visual impact, luxury cars in Hollywood function as powerful extensions of personal branding and lifestyle storytelling, seamlessly blending with the entertainment industry's obsession with image and exclusivity. Celebrities are often seen arriving at movie premieres, award shows, and private events in vehicles that mirror their on-screen personas. Actors, known for action, roles favor aggressive supercars, while award-winning directors and producers gravitate toward refined, chauffeur-driven luxury sedans that project authority and legacy. Car manufacturers actively collaborate with Hollywood studios, placing high-end vehicles in films and series to reinforce. Luxury cars in Hollywood are far more than a means of transportation. They are rolling symbols of power, success, style, and cinematic legacy, deeply woven into the identity of the entertainment capital of the world. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills to the glowing lights of Sunset Boulevard, ultra-luxury vehicles glide through Hollywood as extensions of celebrity personas, reflecting both personal taste and public image. Brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Aston Martin dominate the scene, each representing a different flavor of prestige. Whether it's old-money elegance, cutting-edge performance, or futuristic innovation. In Hollywood, a car is often the first statement before a word is spoken. Paparazzi. Flashes capture matte black. Lamborghinis roaring away from movie premieres, while chauffeured Rolls-Royce Phantoms quietly deliver A-list actors to award shows in unmatched comfort. Luxury cars also play a vital role in shaping Hollywood's on-screen fantasy. Iconic films and TV series frequently feature exotic vehicles as symbols of wealth, rebellion, or authority, making certain models legendary overnight. The culture thrives on exclusivity, with celebrities commissioning bespoke interiors, custom paint finishes, personalized stitching, and one-of-one specifications that turn already expensive vehicles into priceless works of automotive art. Electric luxury has also found a powerful foothold in Hollywood, as stars embrace high-end EVs like the Tesla Model S Plaid, Lucid Air, Porsche Taycan, and Mercedes-Benz EQS. blending sustainability with performance and redefining what modern luxury means in an eco-conscious era. Car collectors in Hollywood often maintain private garages that resemble museums, housing rare hypercars, vintage classics, and limited production, models that appreciate in value while reinforcing elite status. Luxury SUVs such as the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Bentley Bentayga, Mercedes-Maybach JLS, and Range Rover Autobiography dominate daily life, offering privacy, comfort, and presence amid the city's non-stop attention. Beyond ownership, luxury car culture fuels exclusive events, secret showcases, and invitation-only launches where automakers debut their most ambitious creations specifically for Hollywood's influential audience. Social media has amplified this obsession, turning celebrity car collections into viral content and inspiring global audiences to associate Hollywood success with automotive excellence. Ultimately, luxury cars in Hollywood represent a powerful blend of aspiration and storytelling machines that carry dreams, ambition, and identity through a city built on spectacle, where every arrival matters and every vehicle tells a story of fame, fortune, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In recent years, Hollywood's luxury car scene has also become a testing ground for future automotive trends, where concept cars, limited edition prototypes, and ultra-luxury cars in Hollywood are more than just a means of transportation. They are powerful symbols of success, status, and personal branding woven deeply into the culture of fame and glamour. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills to the red carpets of major film premieres, luxury vehicles serve as rolling extensions of celebrity identity, reflecting taste, influence, and lifestyle. Hollywood has long been associated with opulence, and this relationship is perfectly embodied in the presence of brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Aston Martin dominating the roads. For actors, musicians, directors, and producers, these cars are not only prized for their performance and craftsmanship, but also for the image they project to fans and media alike. A matte black Lamborghini Aventador cruising down Sunset Boulevard or a bespoke Rolls-Royce Phantom pulling up to a studio gate instantly communicates power, exclusivity, and achievement. In many cases, luxury car manufacturers strategically collaborate with Hollywood stars, offering custom builds, limited editions, and brand partnerships that further blur the line between cinema and automotive artistry. Films and TV shows play a massive role in elevating these vehicles to iconic status, turning certain models into cultural legends through memorable on-screen appearances. Think of sleek sports cars in action movies, elegant sedans in award-season dramas, or futuristic electric luxury cars in sci-fi blockbusters. Each appearance reinforces the emotional connection between Hollywood storytelling and high-end automobiles. Beyond aesthetics, modern Hollywood luxury cars also reflect changing values within the industry, including sustainability and innovation. Electric and hybrid luxury models from brands like Tesla, Lucid, Porsche, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz have become increasingly popular among environmentally conscious celebrities who want to combine performance with responsibility. These vehicles offer cutting-edge technology, silent yet powerful acceleration, and futuristic interiors that align perfectly with Hollywood's forward-thinking image. Customization is another defining element, as many stars invest heavily in personalized interiors, unique paint finishes, bulletproof protection, and advanced security systems to match their specific needs and preferences. In Hollywood, a luxury car is often photographed as much as its owner, featured in paparazzi shots, social media posts, and lifestyle magazines, turning it into a marketing asset as well as a personal indulgence. Valet lines at exclusive restaurants and events resemble high-end auto shows, showcasing million-dollar collections that include rare hypercars and classic, vintage models restored to perfection. Ultimately, luxury cars in Hollywood represent the intersection of art, engineering, fame, and aspiration. They capture the dream that Hollywood sells to the world. The idea that success looks beautiful, luxury cars in Hollywood are far more than just transportation. They are powerful symbols of success, identity, and cinematic fantasy woven deeply into the culture of fame and storytelling. In a city where image defines influence, and first impressions can shape entire careers, luxury automobiles serve as rolling status statements that reflect wealth, taste, and personal branding. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills to the glowing marquees of Sunset Boulevard, it is common to see Rolls-Royce Phantoms gliding silently past paparazzi, Lamborghinis roaring outside exclusive nightclubs, and custom Bentleys parked in front of five-star hotels. Hollywood celebrities often use luxury cars as extensions of their public personas. Actors, favoring timeless elegance, might choose a classic Mercedes-Benz S-Class or a stately Maybach, while pop stars and influencers lean toward bold, eye-catching supercars like Ferrari, McLaren, or Bugatti. These vehicles are not just purchased, they are curated, customized, and showcased, often featuring bespoke interiors, unique paint finishes, and personalized details that make each car as exclusive as the celebrity behind the wheel. Hollywood films and television have further cemented the importance of luxury cars, turning them into cinematic icons that define characters and eras, from vintage Cadillacs, symbolizing old school, glamour to futuristic electric luxury cars, representing innovation and power. Automobiles help tell visual stories of ambition, rebellion, and dominance. Red carpet events, movie premieres, and award nights transform luxury cars into ceremonial objects, with chauffeured Rolls-Royces and stretched Bentleys delivering stars under flashing lights, reinforcing the idea that success arrives in polished metal and handcrafted leather. Beyond aesthetics, luxury cars in Hollywood also represent cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and performance, as many celebrities embrace high-end electric vehicles like Tesla, Lucid, and electric Rolls-Royce models to align luxury with environmental awareness. Social media has amplified this culture, turning celebrity garages into viral content and making exotic car collections a key part of digital fame. In Hollywood, luxury cars influence trends worldwide. What a famous actor drives today often becomes tomorrow's dream car for millions. Ultimately, luxury cars in Hollywood are not merely machines. They are cultural artifacts that blend art, engineering, fame, and aspiration into a single moving spectacle, capturing the endless pursuit of glamour that defines the entertainment capital of the world. This obsession with luxury automobiles also fuels an entire ecosystem of designers, dealers, tuners, and collectors who thrive on Hollywood's demand for exclusivity and innovation. High-end dealerships in Los Angeles often feel more like private galleries than showrooms, offering invitation-only unveilings and discreet sales tailored to elite clients. Customization house. Luxury cars in Hollywood are far more than just a mode of transportation. They are powerful symbols of success, identity, and cinematic fantasy woven deeply into the culture of the entertainment industry. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills to the red carpets of movie premieres, high-end automobiles like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Aston Martin have become visual extensions of fame and influence. In Hollywood, a luxury car is not simply owned. It is curated to match a lifestyle built on image, storytelling, and exclusivity. Celebrities are often seen arriving at studios or exclusive events in custom-painted supercars or chauffeur-driven, ultra-luxury sedans, each vehicle reflecting personal taste, status, and brand alignment. Classic Hollywood icons once favored Cadillacs and Lincolns, while today's A-list stars gravitate toward limited-edition hypercars, electric luxury vehicles, and bespoke models featuring handcrafted interiors, advanced technology, and performance that rivals race cars. These vehicles frequently appear in films, music videos, and social media, reinforcing their association with glamour and aspiration. Hollywood films themselves have played a massive role in elevating luxury cars to legendary status. James Bond's Aston Martin, sleek Mercedes-Benz sedans in dramatic thrillers, and roaring Italian supercars in action. Blockbusters have turned automobiles into characters of their own. Beyond performance and design, luxury cars in Hollywood represent freedom, power, and individuality, often customized with rare materials, unique color palettes, bulletproofing, or eco-conscious electric drivetrains to align with modern values. Dealerships in Los Angeles cater specifically to elite clients, offering private showrooms, invitation-only unveilings, and concierge-level service that mirrors the exclusivity of the film industry itself. Social media has further amplified this culture, with paparazzi shots and Instagram posts showcasing exotic cars parked outside luxury hotels, mansions, and studios fueling global fascination. Even sustainability has entered the scene, as many Hollywood stars embrace high-end electric vehicles like the Tesla Model S Plaid, Porsche Taycan, and Rolls-Royce Spectre, proving that luxury and environmental awareness can coexist. Ultimately, luxury cars in Hollywood are a fusion of art, technology, and celebrity culture, representing dreams that extend far beyond California, inspiring millions worldwide to associate success with elegance, innovation, and the unmistakable shine of cinematic prestige. In addition, Hollywood's relationship with luxury cars continues to evolve as trends shift toward personalization and storytelling through design. Many celebrities collaborate directly with manufacturers to create one-of-one builds that reflect their on-screen personas or personal journeys, blurring the line between automotive engineering and creative expression. Exclusive